The freelance landscape is changing faster than ever. In 2026, is Upwork still a goldmine or a race to the bottom? Upwork remains the world's largest talent marketplace, connecting millions of freelancers with businesses globally. But it's no longer just about bidding, it's about specialization and demonstrating real-world value. For beginners, fields like AI data labeling, virtual assistants, and niche content writing are the fastest ways to break in. Getting that first client is the hardest part. The secret? A hyper-personalized proposal that solves a specific problem. Stop copy-pasting, address the client's pain point in the first 2 sentences to grab their attention. Realistic earnings? Beginners can expect $15 to $25 an hour, while experts in tech niches easily cross the $100 mark. Avoid the common traps: bidding too low, neglecting your portfolio, or ignoring Upwork's latest algorithm updates. Communication is key. A single bad review early on can haunt your profile for months. Over-deliver every time. In 2026, AI isn't replacing freelancers, it's empowering them. Use AI tools to work faster and deliver better results. The most successful freelancers this year are those who niche down into high-demand tech and AI integration services. Keep an eye on the fees. Upwork's flat structure makes it simpler, but you need to price your services accordingly. So, is it worth it? Absolutely, if you're willing to treat it like a business and not just a side hustle. Upwork in 2026 offers unparalleled access to global high-paying clients for those who play the game right. For more practical advice on online business and making money, subscribe to Solvanta Media. I'm Hustler, and we'll see you in the next video. Let's build something great together.